So everybody always asks me about like meal replacements. I really don't like the idea of meal replacements because a lot of people just, it says within the name, they'll try to replace a meal. But there is always situations where, you know, you probably need to get a meal in, but you can't get like a full on meal. So this is pretty much like, this is a fun way that I kind of just figured out, but you know, figured out how to get a quick meal because I have to head out. And I was like, well, what am I gonna do? Because I don't have time to eat a meal. So very simple. All you need is milk. Some people like almond milk just because if you're like trying to, you know, cut down or whatever the case may be. A Pop-Tart, a cup of just oats, whichever one, it doesn't matter, and just protein, just normal protein. So what I do first, I grab the cup that I'm gonna be drinking from. I pour in the amount that I know that I'm probably gonna end up drinking, or the whole thing. And since I'm probably gonna have that much, I pour it into the blender. Okay, then oats. This is 1 cup. Grab it. About 1 cup right there. Now the reason why I have oats and Pop-Tart is just for the simple fact that oats are, you know, good clean carbs, and then with the Pop-Tart, I want to have fun. So just in case, what I do is I cut up the Pop-Tart a little bit, just like that. I'll switch it and cut it even more, all the way through. Then once you do that, go ahead and put that into the blender. Then last is the protein. Now you can do this with any protein that you have. Now since I like to get a little bit more, I'll go ahead and put about 2 scoops. And pretty much all you gotta do is just blend from there. So go ahead and put that in there.
Get the good life, get the good life.
And that's pretty much it. Well, you got a good, tasty chocolate meal. And this should last you about probably, well, it'll probably last me about a good hour before I'm ready to eat again. But this honestly is just good just to get the basic nutrients that you need in for that meal. So yeah, you can do this with whatever flavor protein, whatever flavor, you know, you really want, but this is just basically a quick way to go ahead and get a good meal in if you don't have an actual product of a meal replacement.